This is a review of the BELTROAD studded belts that we are going to be doing a review and test fit on, which the brand sent me out this product as a gift that we are going to be putting this to a test to. And in this review and test, we are going to wear this on and then show you guys more in depth about this belt. So without going further, let's wear it on and show you guys more in depth. Okay, one thing I want to show before we get towards the test fit is that the belt's right over here. One thing I love about this belt is it has a lot of holes, which you could make it adjustable to however your waist size is. So that's one thing I love about it. Also, it comes with the chain as well, which looks really nice, and it's also stainless steel quality. Okay, so this is the finished results of the BELTROAD belt, and I must say that the quality of this belt is really high quality. It is made of a 100% real leather material, and it feels very strong when you hold it, but when I wear it on, it feels right. It snugs you into place, and that way that, it keeps the pants and everything on, tight. And other than that, I also love the fact that it comes with a chain as well too. The chain is also stainless steel quality, and it feels very, durable and really high quality. This, it shines also as well too. It looks really nice when you wear it for special occasions or events. And overall, I would definitely recommend the BELTROAD belt if you're looking for a belt that to wear casually, or for a party or for a function, and to give like a gothic style belt. Then this one right over here, this from BELTROAD, is by far one of the best belts to get. I love the way it feels. It feels very nice when you wear it and snugs you into place. So yeah, if you're looking for a belt that is durable and strong, then this belt right over here from BELTROAD is by far one of the best belts to get, and I would definitely recommend this product.